By Manufacturers Direct is proud to announce our partnership with industry-leading Solid Solution Products. Based in Anaheim, California, Solid Solution Products, or SSP, is a manufacturer of professional-level polymers and concrete repair and joint filler systems. Founded by industry professionals, SSP manufactures products specifically engineered to solve construction-related issues. Utilizing their state-of-the-art concrete repair polymers and joint fillers, surface cracks, pitted surfaces, joint edges, and bolt holes are easily repaired, sealed, and left aesthetically pleasing. Designed for residential, industrial, retail, commercial, and other high-profile projects, SSP offers a solution for your most sensitive repair needs. Solid Solution Products is a full-service solution center, offering full systems along with quality supporting accessories. To learn more about Solid Solution Products, visit the By Manufacturers Direct webpage, or feel free to reach out to a BMD customer service representative.